Hello, I'm Andres. I'm the second generation owner of Maize Master. I brought a picture of the first mill that we built. The picture was taken in 1986, and that specific mill was sold to Noon Haman. He's our first customer of Maize Master, and I'm proud to say that the mill is still working today after 40 years. Since then, we have over the years expanded our product range with our latest edition of the 12-ton per hour mill.
Hello, my name is Rudolf van Aswegen. I'm part of the Maize Master team. I'm in the management and design team. We combine multiple E-series mills in parallel and control them through a PLC-based system. This gives the plant the simplicity to run as a single mill while still allowing each section to run individually. That means maintenance can be done segmentally without shutting down the full plant. We use pneumatic conveying to pick up directly from the sifters. This was one of the requests made from Gritsly Mills to reduce the noise and remove the moisture. This makes the system easier to operate and even for someone without milling expertise.